to add a custom font on your Shopify store. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show everything you need to add a custom font into your Shopify store without any paid version application. So make sure to finish this video until the end with the simple process to be able to add any font on your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, this is an example on my Shopify store. Then I don't like this font, then I will show you step by step how easily change it and customize it into your Shopify store. So go directly and open a new browser. Then first guys, you need to add an extension. His name is what font. This extension guys, it's help you to find your font font name. For example, like this, when you select any font on any website, for example, it's give you directly the name. Just guys, add an extension and you need to download this extension and make it pin on your browser. Then guys, after adding this extension on your browser, then go directly to download the your font first. Then go and tap free font. It's give you guys a bunch of different websites to download your font for free. For example, this one, it's a popular website guys. Then guys, after adding this, just tap the name of your font. For example, this one, I like this one. Just copy the font and go and paste it there in the search bar. As you see, it's give you 3 different option. Then guys, when you like someone, or just hit on download. Then guys, after download the font, go and you need to just select the right click, then go and hit on extra to another dossier, to another document. Then select which document that you want, for example this one, and hit on OK. Then guys, go directly to your Shopify store. Then again, open your Shopify dashboard, then hit on online store, then hit on these 3 dots. Then guys, and go directly to edit code. Then guys, it's take you directly to the code section. Then first guys, you need to scroll to assets section on the left, then hit on assets, then scroll to base.css. make sure to select base.css. Then guys, when you select this base.css, then scroll to the bottom. Then guys, you need to add a code. Then I will leave the code in the description, don't worry guys. This is the code guys. Just copy the full code, then copy the code, then go to your Shopify and the bottom, hit enter, then paste it. Then guys, hit on save. Then guys, after save the code, go directly to assets, then hit on add a new asset. Then guys, first you need to upload and add the font to your Shopify code. Then hit on add file, then go directly to the document, then select which font that you download and you want to add it to your Shopify. For example, this one. Then hit on open. As you see guys, it will add it automatically. Then hit on done. And guys, it's very easy guys to add your code on, or to add your font to your Shopify. Then after adding code guys, just go directly to your font, then hit on the pen icon. Then you need to copy the font. Then copy the font, then go back to the code. Then guys, make sure to add the name of the font to your code. Then guys, just select name of font, then paste the code. Again, name of the font, just enter the dots and paste the code. Again, paste the font, name font, again the last one, again paste it. Then guys, hit on save on the top. Then guys, after saving the code, go to the bottom to the add classes here with comma. Then guys, make sure to remove this, and you need to add h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, then body and p and e. Then guys, go and hit on top each, as you see guys, each one, then comma, again each two, again each three, then each four, each, then you need to add each five, again each six, the last. Then guys, you need to add comma, then body. As you see guys, it's give you the option to select the body, comma, then e. As you see guys, select e, comma, then p. First guys, you need to add p, then add the last one, e. When you add in this the font family, just hit on save on the top. Then guys, this is the easy steps to add your code. First guys, I will repeat, just copy the code, then go to add a new assets, then add your code and import your code from your computer. Then guys, you need to paste the name the code in the code section. Then guys, the last, you add each one, each 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then body, pa, and make sure to add comma. Then guys, hit on save. Then guys, go back to your Shopify store. Then guys, I will show you my Shopify store with the last version and the last style font. As you see guys, the font style was changed successfully without no issue. Then I will show you before adding the font, then after guys. As you see guys, it's make your Shopify store more professional with the new style font. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.